there! Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today, we're diving into some electrifying tech updates. Satya Nadella is shifting gears, pulling back on podcasts, and betting big on AI chatbots. He sees the future in interactive conversations, not just passive listening. It's a bold move that could redefine how we learn and engage in the AI era. Now, let's talk about the AI boom. It's thrilling, but it's giving some industry veterans a sense of déjà vu, reminiscent of the dot-com bubble. The warning signs are here: overhype, under-delivery, and a rush to scale without substance. But there's hope. By focusing on real-world use cases and building for outcomes, we can avoid past mistakes. Remember, the dot-com crash didn't kill the internet. It cleared the fog for giants like Amazon and Google to thrive. Switching gears, let's explore Magic Eraser by Magic Studio. It's a nifty tool to remove unwanted objects from your images. Just upload, highlight, and let AI do the magic. Easy peasy. And for those looking to supercharge their productivity, check out these AI tools: Cleanup.pictures for image editing, Beethoven.ai for music creation, WriteSonic for content generation, Lumen 5 for video creation, and Remini for photo enhancement. In the world of AI innovation, Nvidia is making waves with a China-specific AI chip, adapting to U.S. export restrictions. It's a strategic move that underscores the importance of adaptability in today's geopolitical landscape. As regulations evolve, the ability to design region-specific solutions could be the key to leading in the next era of AI. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, keep making AI work for you. Shinky and the Hanuman AI team, signing off.